I'm going to United States of America. Woohoo! I'm going there 22nd of September, and I'm gonna stay there until the beginning of November, I think the 2nd of November. And I'm really excited about this because I've been thinking about it for a long time. I've been wanting to go to the US for ages. I've been thinking and saying to people, yeah, someday I'm gonna go there. And now finally the day has come, and people ask me like, oh, but what are you gonna do in America? Like, why do you wanna go there of all places? And the truth is that I don't actually know exactly why I'm drawn to America, but I feel like I just have to go there for some reason. I feel like this trip is gonna be different than all the trips that I've been to. You know, when I've been doing concerts, workshops, I've been traveling so many places in the world. But this time I feel it's different because, yeah, I'm excited to see what's gonna happen because I feel so excited about it. And what I want to do there is I want to meet Sami people. I want the people who are, you know, related to the Sami people who went to Alaska a long time ago. I want to meet them. I already know some of them from online, from the internet, and of course, if I have the chance, I would love to meet other indigenous people. And I'm also, I just want to do like a research trip and like an inspirational trip for I'm writing books at the moment, I'm writing new music. So it's gonna be like an inspirational trip. And at the moment I'm kind of like wanting to explore more of the frequencies, like sound healing and this kind of stuff. So I'm hoping maybe I can find kind of like a workshop or whatever. Maybe I'll go to Sedona, I don't know, but we'll see. But those are the things that I want to experience while I'm there. And I'm gonna go first to Kalamazoo, which is in Michigan. I'm gonna stay there for like 3 weeks to be in also go to Chicago. So it's gonna be Kalamazoo and Chicago for about 3 weeks. And then about 12th of October, I'm gonna go to Minnesota. I'm gonna visit Minneapolis and of course Duluth. I have to go there to see what's happening there. So I hope I can stay also on that part like 3 weeks. So now we're in the 2nd of November. So I'm hoping, this is the plan, that I can go to Seattle and Portland because I want to visit there also because I know there's a lot of Sami people there too. So I want to talk to them. And I'm so much looking forward to this trip. I hope I get to meet a lot of you that I already know. And if you have any tips, like on what I can do when I'm going to those areas, or even if you have tips to go somewhere else, like, because I'm very flexible about this schedule. I'm just trying to like not make it too hectic, and I want to have time to enjoy stuff. Like all the time when I go on tours, I just don't have time to do touristy stuff and like just enjoy a little bit and do my own work. I want to have time to like do my own stuff also, not only be working and doing touristy stuff. So let me know, and I hope to see you there. there. Looking forward to it.